In celebration of May the 4th, we're going to be making a Star Wars themed cocktail, the Darth and Stormy. So this is like the classic Dark and Stormy, but with a twist. We're going to be adding blood orange liqueur because not only will it make it more flavorful, but it will also be red, like Darth Vader's lightsaber. So first we're going to be adding our dark rum. We're going with Bacardi Black, and we're gonna put 1.5 ounces. Next we're adding the blood orange liqueur. We're going to be pouring 3/4 ounce. And now we're gonna shake it. And there's no better way to serve a Darth Vader themed cocktail than in a Death Star glass. Then we add some ginger beer. And last but not least, we're going to be adding a Darth Vader ice sphere. How cool. Thank you. Okay, so this is my first time opening up this ice mold. I haven't used it before, so hopefully it looks like the picture on the box. So let's see. Okay, well, it's not very round. So I think maybe I just didn't fill the ice mold enough because it's not a perfect circle. But can you see Darth Vader? Oh my God, that's so cool. All right, so I'm gonna drop that on the top. I'm gonna try to put it in like this so that he floats. Oh my God, he's so cool. Check him out. Shout out to WMP for making some cool Star Wars barware. May the 4th be with you.